How to hide address on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, open up your Shopify admin account. After that, go to the settings at the bottom, and over here you need to open up the shipping and delivery, and over here just scroll down till the very end, and here you can see the option of packing slips. Simply click on this option of edit template, and this is the code that we need to make some changes in. So make sure that you copy this particular code. Just simply select it all and copy it and paste it on a notepad or somewhere else. So even if you mess it all up, then you can just simply paste the code from where you have copied, and this way you can bring the things to normal. So just simply copy it. This is quite important. So after you do that, just simply scroll down, and around 170 or 180 you would be able to find this particular code, which is thank you for shopping with us. Right below it you would be able to find the option of BR code with shop address.summary. We need to remove this particular code in order to remove the address or hide the address. Simply remove this particular code, and after that just click on this option of save. Then wait for it to load, and after it is saved, just simply click on this option of preview template and wait for it to load. Here you can see that your address has been removed, and the person who you are sending to, only that person has address over here. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.